Hi fellas, how's it going? It's me Sabine here from Sabine Digital. Welcome to a brand new video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you one of the easiest way to promote a Clickbank product as a complete beginner. If you are a beginner who is struggling to normally make money online as an affiliate marketer and you have decided that you want to learn how you are going to be promoting it, this video is something which will provide you actual value and teach you a method that nobody is sharing with you. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can promote an affiliate offer from a Clickbank. Mainly I'm going to be focusing on promoting a product on a pet niches, means dog, cat and their training niches, because this kind of offer are converting really well on a Clickbank nowadays, and this is a perfect opportunity for you to normally acquire these particular niches right now, so you can start promoting this product to earn a profit. A lot of people normally try to promote a Clickbank product. They try to promote a product which has got a 300 to 600 gravity, which means that they are really competitive, and if you are a beginner looking to normally make your first sale, it will be way more difficult for you to get a sale from a product that is getting a lot of attention and has got a lot of competition on it, while other super affiliate who can send hundreds of sale in a single day are promoting it. So in this video, I'm going to be targeting a specific niche, that is a dog needs. The method that I'm about to show you will definitely gonna be something absolutely free of cost, so you don't actually have to pay a single dollar to follow the method. So before I normally proceed to a video, I like to normally make a couple of requests. The first request is gonna be, make sure you are gonna be giving this video a thumbs up. If you have got any query, make sure you are gonna be leaving a comment below this video, so I will be able to normally respond to your comment as soon as I can, so I can help you to solve your query and a problem that you are getting with me online industry, affiliate marketing, whatever your query is. And plus, there will be always a one link on a pinned comment and description of my video, which will call something like make $10,000 per month in affiliate commission here. Make sure you are be clicking on this link and registering for a one webinar from Jono Armstrong, from whom I have learned most of my marketing tactics. And Jono Armstrong is someone who has been generating millions of dollars with affiliate marketing, and that training is a pure value that you are getting for a free, which will normally teach you how you can get started online as an online marketer. So make sure you are going to be checking that and register for a webinar as well. So so now it's time for us to normally proceed to our method. So the first thing that you have to do is to definitely look for a product that you can promote as an affiliate, right? So just go to a search box and search for a dog or cat and click on search. Once you search it, it will show you a lot of offer, but we need an offer which has got a decent gravity. Why decent gravity means, this way we are going to be getting idea that this offer is at least converting. If there is an offer on a Clickbank which has got a gravity of 1, 2, 3, 4, means the traffic that you are going to be sending to a sales page of that offer will convert less. But if the product has gravity above the 50 and below a 200, means that offer will convert maximum number of your traffic. And if the gravity of the product is over the 300, which means it has got a lot of competition, and if you are a beginner who do not have got an email list or a one particular traffic source that you can personally rely on, or traffic source that you actually own, I'm not going to be recommending you to promote those products. So as you can see, brain training for a dog, this is a good product which has got a gravity of 103. This means 103% of affiliate have generated a sale for the offer on the last week. This is what defined as a gravity on a Clickbank. There are a few other products also which has got above the 50. That is also not something really bad. So the first thing that you have to do is to normally visit the sales page of the product. Reason behind visiting a sales page of the product, this way we are going to be getting an idea what is this product all about, right? So as you can see, by reading the actual title, we can actually understand this is about a dog training. So now, since this is the product that I'm taking an example with, so the first thing that I'm going to be doing will be open a notepad and click on promote. Free traffic, generate affiliate link, copy it, go to a website called bit.ly. It will take me to a bit.ly.com. Now I'm going to shorten this affiliate URL. Reason for shortening this affiliate URL is nobody prefer clicking on this long URL which has been provided by a Clickbank, because it kind of look like a spammy and a misleading which has got no particular domain name. So that is the reason always use a URL shortener, but do not use those URL shortener which will pay you whenever someone click on your link. Those kind of URL shortener will put ad before visitor can actually getting into a sales page, and it will literally give you a earning of a pennies, but you want to earn on at least $10 to $20, right? So you can actually make a living out of it. So now since we have got all those detail, the next step is go to a sales page of the product and try to normally capture the pictures of the dog or the training and all those things, and save it on your PC. Reason behind that is we need an information that we are going to be providing to people who are looking to buy the product. Then you have to normally come on this website called lsn.com. This is a classified website which will allow us to normally publish an ad on their platform, and one of the most popular niche on their classified ad is pet supply, and this is something that we really want to target to promote the product. And dog is a main focus of this particular classified website, where you can normally publish an ad absolutely free of cost. As you can see, there are already hundreds of ads which has been published for hundreds and thousands of dollars, but these are the actual dog ad, means people can actually buy this dog for a following price. But we are here to normally sell a dog training. So if there is someone who is actually a dog owner, if there is someone who is coming here to normally buy the dog, they are going to be buying the dog, and they are also going to be looking into our dog training ad. So if they want to normally improve their dog, if they want to normally train their dog, they are going to be buying that product. So this is how we are going to be siphoning this traffic source to promote a Clickbank product. So then I'm going to be clicking on post, and what will be the ad duration? 60-day will be the perfect. Then the another thing will be our title of the ad. Okay, so the title we can easily copy from here. As you can see, brain training for a dog, unique training course, unique dog training course. So this is the thing that I'm going to be copying, which is considered as our main title. Then what is the price of this, right? So to be honest, we have to normally go to a sales page of the product. I'm going to be clicking on buy now button. It will take me to a checkout page of the Clickbank, and they just normally see the price. So $47 is the price. It really cheap, right? So I'm going to be putting a $47. If you are watching for an Asian country, this may be expensive for you, but for countries, a top tier country like United States, United Kingdom and Canada, this is not a much of a price. And dog breed or something like that, we are not going to be choosing that. We can just choose anything. Okay, so we are just going to be skipping that thing. Then I'm going to be going over here. Then this is the main thing. Do not copy any detail that consider affiliate, means you do not want to include that affiliate. So I'm just going to be selecting this one as an example, because this is dog training. Here you have to give it a phone number. Make sure you have gotten a US phone number. Okay, in order to normally have a US phone number, there is one awesome website that I recommend to everyone, which is called TextNow. Go to textnow.com, and it will normally provide you a free United States phone number. As you can see, I have already generated. Register an account and normally generate a phone number. It's really easy and simple. This is going to be helping you to save a lot of effort. And if I normally paste this phone number, I can normally click on Google send verification. Instruction, text anytime, call after blah blah blah. So call, okay, text anytime. So people who want to who are interested to buy the product can normally text me anytime. If you normally click on Google verification, you can find a further detail. Then second phone number, we are not going to be including a second phone number. As you can see, I have not included any link so far to normally send the traffic, right? So where will be the place where we are going to be including a link? We are actually not going to be including an affiliate link. Reason behind why a lot of people do not get sale is they try to promote it upfront. I have also followed the method. I have got a result. Sometimes I have not got a result. But now, since you have got a free account on TextNow and you have generated one US phone number, you have to normally log in on TextNow every single day and look for the messages that you have received. So if there is a message of someone who is interested to normally buy the product, you have to normally send them an affiliate link via a message. And here you can also have a personal conversation with them. This will help you to normally get a one human touch, allowing you to get sales more faster and better comparing to any other random method spamming every single person on social media. And as you can see over here, if you normally go to the Friday, there are a lot of time when I have normally follow the exact same method. As you can see, back in 2020, I used to normally follow this method for various things. As you can see, these all are my previous chat where I used to normally talk with the people, provide them an affiliate product that I was promoting on. this kind of a classify website and generate a sale. This was one of the easiest method that you can follow. So now since we have normally followed that process, it's time for us to normally include images that we have downloaded, right? So I'm going to a product logo where I have downloaded majority of my images of dog, the first one. So it is getting uploaded. I'm going to be including the second one as well. The more image that you are going to be putting on this kind of a website, the more amount of a result that you are going to be getting a second image. So now I'm going to be clicking on save and continue. Then as you can see, this is how my ad kind of, if you normally pay them a $19 or $2, you can normally get a featured ad, or your ad will be visible to more people. But right now I'm not going to be focusing on that. So click on I agree and click on post ad, because this is going to be a free ad. And they have also mentioned to avoid fraud, please watch and sign for ad, refuse to meet face to face, PayPal, Western Union, blah, snipping involved, a buyer is not local, third party involvement, blah blah blah. So make sure you are also going to be following this, so you are not going to be getting someone who is not ready to buy the product from you, or who are not interested to buy a product from you. On the text, now when you are going to be normally receiving the message, you have to normally send them something like, hi, thanks for your interest on the offer. Here is a link where you can get more details about, okay, I want to type about the course. If you are also not so fluent in terms of typing something, you can consider installing a Grammarly, which will help you to normally save a lot of time and effort. Then normally send them this message, and this message will be sent to them. Right now I'm normally sending this to a PayPal support. I have normally tried to create a US PayPal account for including on my Google AdWords account back in 2019. That was a time when I have got this message. But still, this is if you just follow this process and reply to people who are interested to buy the programs or join the program, it is going to be helping you to get a sale way more faster comparing to any other method, because you are including a personal human touch. Since you are using a United States number, they are going to be trusting you more comparing to any other people who is trying to sell them offer. And since you are not including a direct link on your ad, this way you are going to be proving authenticity as well. And while creating an account and setting up an account on lns.com, it will ask you to normally fill up an address and other further detail. For that, use a US fake address generator website and normally include the address from that website. So that way you are going to be creating a one genuine classify ad account. So I hope you have really enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up. If you have got anything to ask, let me know in the comment below, and make sure you are going to be following this method every single day. Try to post 2 to 3 ads every single day. That way you are going to be getting a more attention, more messages on your text. Now that way you are going to be getting a more sale. I hope you have really enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up. If you have got anything to ask, let me know in the comment below. And do not forget to click on this link, which will be down below this video, which will take you to a one webinar where you can register and learn from Jono Armstrong how you can become a successful super affiliate who will be making a consistent income as an online marketer. And I'm pretty much sure you are going to be getting a result if you join that program. So Sabine signing out. I'm going to check you out on the next one. Until that, take care and bye bye.